Hello students, welcome you to this session. In this video, we are going to study exponents and radicals. One of the very simple topic you would have studied in the lower classes, right? Exponents, a raised to m, right? If you write a raised to m, right? A is the base and m is the power. And the rules also, right? A raised to m into a raised to n. What is that? A raised to m plus n. Suppose it is a raised to m by a raised to n. It is a raised to m minus n, right? M minus n. Then that is product rule, quotient rule. Then power rule, that is a raised to m, the whole power n. What is that? A raised to mn, m into n, right? A raised to mn. Then a raised to minus n, you can bring it to the denominator, right? 1 by a raised to n. And any number raised to 0, it is 1, right? Any number raised to 0 is 1. Suppose ab raised to n, you can split into 2. A raised to n into b raised to n. Same way, even for division, you can split. Okay, so that's all basic. Using that only, we are going to do this one exercise. So we start with some simple sums. Simplify x raised to 1 by 2, y raised to minus 3, raised to 1 by 2. So first what I'm going to do, x raised to 1 by 2, y raised to minus 3, the whole raised to 1 by 2, right? This is what given. I'm writing it as x raised to 1 by 2 by y raised to 3. That y raised to minus 3, you can bring it down, y raised to 3, raised to 1 by 2. Now that power is for both. So x raised to 1 by 2 raised to 1 by 2 by y raised to 3 raised to 1 by 2. Now use power rule, right? A raised to m, the whole raised to n. Just multiply the power, a raised to m into n. So you get x raised to half into half, that is 1 by 4, by y raised to 3 by 2. 3 into 1 by 2, right? So that is 3 by 2. And this is your answer. Now see the next question. Rationalize the denominator. Very simple thing, right? You multiply numerator and denominator by the conjugate. So root 5 by root 6 plus root 2. This is what given. So root 5 by root 6 plus root 2. You multiply numerator and denominator by the denominator's conjugate. Instead of plus, you put minus. So root 6 minus root 2 by root 6 minus root 2. Denominator you can simplify. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. A square means root 6 square. Root 6 square is 6. Minus b square, that is root 2 square, it is 2. Numerator, multiply term by term. Root 5 into root 6, it is root 30. Minus root 5 into root 2 is root 10. You can't simplify that, they are not like terms. So write as it is, root 30 minus root 10 by 4, right? You can leave it. Find the square root of this. Find the square root of 7 minus 4 root 3, root u type, right? So we take the positive value here. Find the square root. There are different methods, but I'm going to teach you in a very simple way. Just 3 lines. Okay, listen how to do this. Root of this minus 4 root 3 is there, right? So that minus 4 root 3, I'm taking it as the 2ab term, 2ab. Then here, b square means root 3 square, 3, and 2a, 2 into 2. This 2 is the formula, 2ab, a is 2, so 2 square is 4. So this 4 plus 3 is what? 7. So 7, I'm splitting it as 4 plus 3. 7, you split it as what? 4 plus 3. So listen what I'm doing here. This I'm taking it as 2ab. So minus 2ab. 4 I'm writing it as 2 into root 3. So 2ab. Now I want that a square b square term. A square means 2 square. What is that? 4. Then here the sign is what? Minus, right? 2 square is 4. B square, root 3 square is 3. So 4 plus 3, it is 7. It is given there, right? So you can split like that, so that in just 2 lines you can finish it. So now look at this one. So this is equal to root of 4 square root is 2. Root 3 square root is root 3. 2ab term is minus, so you write here minus the whole square. If you expand, you will get that one. A minus b the whole square. A square minus 2ab, 2 2s are 4, 4 root 3 plus b square root 3 square is 3. When you take square root, so root and square cancel, and your answer is 2 minus root 3 is the positive value. Root 3 is 1.732. So 2 minus 1.732, it is positive only. Okay. So like that you can do very easy. Otherwise, you take it as a plus ib, then you square both sides, equating the coefficient. That method also you can use it, but this is an easy method for this question. Okay, now exercise sums. 125 raised to 2 by 3. So just to simplify, so the base numerator you see, sorry, the power you see 2 by 3, the denominator is 3. So 125 you can write it as 5 cube, the whole raised to 2 by 3. A raised to m, the whole power n, so 5 raised to m into n, 3 into 2 by 3, 3 cancel, you are getting 5 square, which is equal to 25, right? So next subdivision, 16 raised to minus 3 by 4. So since 4 is there, 16 can be written in so many ways, right? You can write as 4 square. You can write as 2 raised to 4. I am writing 2 raised to 4. Oh, you know, here the denominator is 4. That 4 and 4 get cancelled. So 16 you write 2 raised to 4 raised to minus 3 by 4. When you multiply, the 4 get cancelled. 2 raised to minus 3 can be written as negative power. Bring it down, it becomes positive, right? 2 cube. So that is 1 by 8. See the next question. Here also numerator's denominator is 3. So minus 1000 can be written as minus 10 the whole cube, right? Minus 10 the whole cube. Minus 3 times it is minus. The whole power minus 2 by 3. Now a raised to m into n, the 3 cancel. Minus 10 raised to minus 3. Negative power, so you make it as positive, so bring it down. So you can write as 1 by minus 10 square. So that is 1 by, when you square, the minus become plus, and you will get what? 100, 1 by 100. See the next one, a raised to m into n. So 3 raised to minus 6 into 1 by 3. Cancel 3 table, you get 3 raised to minus 2. So you are getting 1 by 3 square, right? So that is 3 square is 9. So the answer is what? 1 by 9. One more question of the same type. So here both 27. So either simplify and do, or first numerator denominator simplify separately, because denominator of the power is 3. So 27 is 3 cube raised to minus 2 by 3. Denominator 27 also 3 cube raised to minus 1 by 3. Then multiply the power, a raised to m, the whole raised to n, a raised to mn, right? 3 cancel. So 3 raised to minus 2 by 3 raised to minus 1. That is, this is a raised to m by a raised to n, right? So 3 raised to minus 2 minus minus 1, it is plus 1. So you are getting 3 raised to minus 1, it is same as 1 by 3. Okay, you can go through again. It's a very simple questions only. So you can do that one. Now let's go for the next question. Look at this. So looks little lengthy one, but it's a very simple question only. Listen how to do this. Always you see the denominator of the power. So here 256, you can write in different ways. But the immediate power is minus 1 by 2. 2 is there, no? So write it something square. 256 is 16 square. So I'm writing it as 16 square raised to minus 1 by 2 raised to minus 1 by 4 raised to 3, right? We do step by step. When you multiply this part, the 2 and 2 cancel, you are getting 16 raised to minus 1 raised to minus 1 by 4 raised to 3. Now the denominator, that is the power is minus 1 by 4, denominator is 4. So 16 can be written as 2 raised to 4, right? Or you do one thing, you can multiply the power also, right? 16 raised to minus 1 into minus 1 by 4, it is plus 1 by 4, the whole power 3. Again you can write it as 16 raised to 3 by 4. Now you can simplify that. 16 you write 2 raised to 4 raised to 3 by 4. 4 cancel, you are getting 2 cube, yeah. 4 cancel, right? 2 cube is 8. Now see the third question. Listen this. X raised to 1 by 2 plus x raised to minus 1 by 2, the whole square is 9 by 2. X raised to 1 by 2 minus x raised to 1 by 2, they asked to find. So listen, I'm taking that x raised to 1 by 2 as alpha, x raised to minus 1 by 2 as beta. We have a formula, alpha minus beta the whole square is, you are remembering, alpha minus beta the whole square is alpha plus beta the whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Substitute alpha beta these values. So for how we got the values, only from look at the question and I take, and that's all. So no need to memorize or remember something. So just substitute the values, x raised to 1 by 2 minus x raised to minus 1 by 2 the whole square is alpha plus beta, x raised to 1 by 2 plus x raised to minus 1 by 2 the whole square minus 4 into alpha beta, x raised to 1 by 2 into x raised to minus 1 by 2. Substitute the known values. Left side, that is what we want, right? X raised to 1 by 2 plus x raised to 1 by 2 the whole square. Totally it is what? 9 by 2. Minus 4 into 1. Why, if you simplify this, a raised to m into a raised to n, a raised to m plus n, add the power, x raised to half minus half, 0. Any number raised to 0 is 1, right? So now we take 2 as LCM. 9 minus 4 2s are 8. So the answer is what? 1 by 2, right? This is the value of x raised to 1 by 2 minus x raised to minus 1 by 2 the whole square. But what they asked? Question is x raised to 1 by 2 minus x raised to minus 1 by 2. So you have to take the square root. So x raised to 1 by 2 minus x raised to minus 1 by 2 is square root of this. So the answer is 1 by root 2. Now we move on to the fourth question. Simplify and hence find the value of n. Simplify. See what is given here. 3 raised to 2n into 9 square into 3 raised to minus n whole divided by 3 raised to 3n equal to 27. So what method you use here, you write in powers of 3, because in 3 places you can see the base is 3, another one is 9, can be written as 3 square, the right side 27, you can write 3 cube. So everything you write with base 3. So left side will be 3 raised to something, right side 3 raised to something. When the bases are same, you can equate the powers. Okay, that's the concept we are using here. So everything you write in terms of 3. So the first one, 3 raised to 2n. 9 can be written as 3 square, the whole square. Then there is a 3 raised to minus n. The denominator, you take it to the numerator, you can write 3 raised to minus 3n equal to 3 cube. 27 can be written as what? 3 cube. Now one more step we write 3 raised to, if you want, you group these 3. 3 raised to 2n minus 3n into 3 raised to 4. 3 square the whole square equal to 3 raised to 3. So that is 3 raised to, if you simplify the power, minus 2n you get into 3 raised to 4 equal to 3 cube. Now a raised to m into a raised to n, add the power, 3 raised to 4 minus 2n equal to 3 cube. Now bases are same, so you can equate the power. So you can say 4 minus 2n equal to 3. Minus 2n is 3 minus 4. It is minus 1. Cancel minus on both sides. 2n equal to 1. So from here you can say n equal to 1 by 2. Now we move on to the next question. Question number 5. Very simple question. Some mensuration formula you need. That's all. So everything you need, what you studied in 10th standard. Find the radius. Find the radius of the spherical tank. So it is a sphere whose volume given. So it is given volume of sphere. Volume of sphere is 32 pi by 3 cubic units, right? Okay. Volume of the sphere given, remembering the formula for volume of the sphere. 4 by 3 pi r cube, right? 4 by 3 pi r cube is 32 pi by 3. Both the sides you can cancel this 3. Pi you cancel. So 4 r cube is 32. 4 table cancel. So r cube is 32 by 4 is 8. That is r cube is equal to 8 can be written as 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. Now the powers are equal. So you can say the bases are equal, r equal to 2. So you can say radius of sphere equal to 2 units. Now see the next question, number 6. Simplify by rationalizing the denominator. Similar question, already we did one question. So you multiply numerator and denominator by the conjugate, right? So see what is given here, 7 plus root 6 by 3 minus root 2. So 7 plus root 6 by 3 minus root 2, you multiply numerator and denominator by the conjugate. So denominator is 3 minus root 2, you change the sign, so multiply by 3 plus root 2, right? By 3 plus root 2. Numerator, you have to multiply term by term only. Denominator, you can apply the identity, a plus b into a minus b. What is that? A square, root 3, 3 square, right? 3 square is 9. Minus b square, root 2 square, it is what? 2. A square minus b square. Numerator multiply term by term, so what you get? 7 3s are 21 plus 7 root 2 plus root 6 into 3, 3 root 6 plus root 6 into root 2, right? Root 6 into root 2 is root 12. That can be simplified. No like terms here, right? So 21 plus 7 root 2 plus 3 root 6. Last one, root 12, you can simplify like this. Root 12 is root of 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12. Root 4 is 2. So you can write as 2 root 3, right? So only the last term you write 2 root 3. But still there is no like term. You can't simplify. Whole divided by 7. So that's your answer. Now see the next question. Don't be afraid by seeing this question. So it follows some pattern. You see this? Look at this and all. Root 8, root 7. Root 8, root 7. One less, right? In between minus everywhere, right? Root 8, root 7. Root 7, root 6. One reduced. Root 6, root 5. Root 5, root 4. Yes, root 4 only here. Root 4 is what? 2. Then here, root 9, root 8. Root 9 is what? Root 9 is 3. So this is actually root 9 only. So this is actually root 4 only. So if you know one term, same pattern every term will be there. Okay, so please listen here. Just I'm going to simplify this. 1 by root 7 plus, minus root 6, right? 1 by root 7 minus root 6. So you can write it as 1 by root 7 minus root 6 into the conjugate. What is that? Root 7 plus root 6 by root 7 plus root 6. So what's the numerator? Root 7 plus root 6. Denominator is a minus b into a plus b. Root 7 square 7 minus root 6 square 6. So you are getting denominator is 1, right? 7 minus 6, 1. You leave it, root 7 plus root 6. So consecutive terms in between minus. So 1 by root 7 minus root 6 is equal to what? Root 7 plus root 6. So can you say what is 1 by root 8 minus root 7? Similarly, you can say it will be root 8 plus root 7. What about the fourth term? 1 by root 6 minus root 5. It is root 6 plus root 5. What about the first term? 1 by 3 minus root 8. 1 by 3 minus root 8. It is 3 plus root 8. That is actually root 9 plus root 8. Last one, 1 by root 5 minus 2. 1 by root 5 minus 2. This is root 5 plus 2, root 5 plus root 4. Okay, so all the values you got it. Just one you find out. Now we substitute everything in the question. Question I'm taking it as 1. We put all this in the first equation. So first one term answer is 3 plus root 8. So minus of. So the second term is root 8 plus root 7, right? Root 8 plus root 7. Then plus the third term, you will get plus 2 is there. Root 7 plus root 6. Root 7 plus root 6. So plus is there, so no need to put bracket. Then minus fourth term. Root 6 plus root 5. Root 6 plus root 5. Root 6 plus root 5. And the last one, it is plus again. Root 5 plus 2. Root 5 plus 2. Now we change the sign. There are some negative terms. So you are getting 3 plus root 8. Minus is for both. So multiply by that minus root 8 minus root 7 plus root 7 plus root 6 minus root 6 minus root 5 plus root 5 plus 2. You can cancel few terms here. Root 8 minus root 8 minus root 7 plus root 7 plus root 6 minus root 6 minus root 5 plus root 5. Only the first term and last term left out, 3 plus 2. So the answer is 5, right? Okay, now let's move on to the last question in this exercise. So here x equal to root 2 plus root 3. They asked to find the value of x square plus 1 by x square minus 2. So numerator, denominator, you can notice something. X square we need, right? So first I'm going to find x square. X is equal to root 2 plus root 3. So I'm finding x square. That is root 2 plus root 3 the whole square. A plus b the whole square. What is that? A square. Root 2 square is 2a square plus 2ab root 2 into root 3 plus b square root 3 square is 3. So you are getting like terms, you simplify 2 plus 3 5 plus 2 root 6. This is the value of x square. Now you write the expression what you need, x square plus 1 by x square minus 2. Instead of x square you give the value. What is x square? 5 plus 2 root 6 plus 1 x square plus 1 by x square, that is 5 plus 2 root 6 minus 2. So simplify, 5 plus 1 is 6 plus 2 root 6 by 5 minus 2, it is 3 plus 2 root 6. You can't simplify root 6 and all because in between minus and all there, right? You can't cancel. So don't leave here, you multiply numerator and denominator by its conjugate, that is 3 minus 2 root 6 by 3 minus 2 root 6. Denominator, you can use the identity a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. A square means 3 square, 9, right? 9 minus b square means 2 root 6 the whole square. 2 root 6 the whole square. Simplify 2 square, 4. Root 6 square is 6. So 6 fours are what? 24 you are getting. Okay, so you have to do very carefully in this one. So 9 minus 24. The numerator, we multiply term by term. 6 threes are 18. Minus 6 twos are 12 root 6 plus 2 threes are 6 root 6 plus and minus is minus. You have to do very carefully. So which two you have to multiply now? 2 root 6 into 2 root 6, right? So that minus already we cancel. Root 6 into root 6 is what? 6. 2 twos are 4. 6 fours are 24. So now we simplify this. 18 minus 24. So it is minus 6. These two are like terms, right? Root 6 term. Minus 12 root 6 plus 6 root 6. It is minus 6 root 6. 6 root 6, yeah. Divided by 9 minus 24 is minus 15. So you can take minus 6 outside. When you have 6, you cannot cancel. So I'm going to take minus 3 outside. Okay, minus 3. Minus I'm taking. So both the terms become positive. 3 I'm taking, so 2 plus 2 root 6 by minus 15. So minus minus it become plus. 3 and 15 cancel, so you will get what? 5. So the final answer is 2 plus 2 root 6 by 5. Okay, hope you understood. One other very simple topic, exponents and radicals. So practice the sums. We will continue the next class.